Volvo's lineup change proceeds. One by one, the Chinese-claimed Swedish automaker has been redesigning its vehicles with another outside outline dialect, a re-examined inside control format, and new measured stages. The 2019 Volvo V60 is the most recent model to make its worldwide presentation, having moved to Volvo's scalable product architecture, SPA, and increasing small V90 check offer, numerous four-chamber powertrains, and the abnormal state of security highlights we've generally expected from Volvo. In spite of the fact that the V60 will offer fuel, cross-breed, and diesel powertrains in different markets, the United States will get just two gas setups at dispatch, T5FWD and T6AWD. The T5 display utilizes a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 that produces 250 pull and 258 pounds-feet of torque and sets with front-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive T6 display has a 316 horsepower turbocharged and supercharged 4-barrel that conveys 295 pounds-feet of torque. In Europe, the new V60 will be accessible with two module mixture powertrains from dispatch, and we expect no less than one will wind up accessible in the US at some point after the V60 at first goes marked down. The all the more intense of the two, the 390 horsepower T8, is like the setup offered in the V60's SUV kin, the XC60. Making its introduction in the V60 is the new T6 FEV setup, which has a consolidated yield of 340 torque. Guiding is dealt with by an electrically helped track and pinion framework, and the V60 rides on a control arm suspension in advance in a multi-link setup with a transverse composite leaf spring in the back. The rated V60 draws elaborately nearer to the bigger V90 and V90 Cross Country. A V60 Cross Country ought to come soon. Its recently chiseled physique includes a slanting roof line, more honed wrinkles, and more forceful front styling with the brand's marked doors hammer-led light marks. The new V60 is observably more, lower, and more extensive than previously. Its wheelbase increments by right around 4 creeps to 113.1, while the body has developed by about 5 crawls to 187.4. For examination, the V90 is 194.3 inches in length and rides on a 115.8-inch wheelbase. The new V60 is an inch more extensive than its ancestor and 2.2 inches bring down in tallness. The greater body makes for more space inside versus the active model. Payload volume increments from 28 cubic feet to 30 with the back seats up and from 44 3D shapes to 48 with the 60-40 split back seat collapsed. Raised traveler's advantage too, with second push legroom expanding from 33.5 creeps to 35.2. As found in a portion of the photographs discharged by Volvo, another two-tone upholstery with false cowhide trim and plaid material additions will be offered. At any rate in Europe, we're trusting the choice makes it to the States. The new V60 obtains from its bigger kin in the tech and well-being offices. The V60 trenched the old DwiAutoZone out-of-date infotainment framework for the tablet-style Sensus touchscreen. It's perfect with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it offers 4G availability. Standard well-being highlights incorporate robotized crisis braking with impact and person-on-foot shirking, versatile voyage control, and path-keeping help. Race cross-activity caution with mechanized braking is discretionary. Volvo isn't prepared to discharge data about valuing or at a bargain dates, however it noted that the V60 will be offered through its Care by Volvo membership benefit, which made its presentation on the new XC40 hybrid. With it, clients can pay a level month-to-month charge that incorporates administration and protection.